Here are seven stylish outfits, ideas to inspire your wardrobe and elevate your fashion game. Effortlessly elegance, the power of monochrome embroids the simplicity and of monochrome outfits. Pair a crisp white button down shirt with dropped black trouser for a timeless look that exudes elegance. Add a statement belts and sleek pumps to elements the ensemble future. Minimalist accessories such as silver stout earring and tote bag complete this effortlessly chic outfits. Perfect for the office of a dinner date. Classic cool denim on denim. Embrace the versatility of denim with a trendy denim on denim ensemble. Pair your favorite denim jacket with high-waisted jeans in a complementary wash for a coordinated yet relaxed vibe. Layer a graphic tee over a simple tank top underneath for a tour of professionally complete the wicked brown. Our shopping bahu 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 baby flea maxi dress and frigid accessories embrace your furry separate side with a flea maxi dress in a vibrant print. Our early tunes OPT for lightweight fabric that gently sway with every step, creating a sense of movement and growth. Accessories with layered necklace, beaded necklace, and fringed sandal to channel bohemian ensemble, perfect for summer festivities. Our beachside strolls, office glam, tailored Sweat with a funny name Sweats. Command in the bedroom with a Polaroid sweat that exceeds confidence and OPT form a slim fit blazer and matching trouser in a classic natural hue such as charlotte gray or navy blue. Add a feminine touch with a silk blouse in a soft pastel shade. Our delicate floral print complete the ensemble with pointed T palms, a sutured leather tute, and understated jewelry for a polished look that means business. Sporty chic embrace the trend with a stylish and comfortable ensemble that seamlessly transition from the game to bronze start with a pair of high waisted leggings. Our joggers in a trendy print, our blood color. Layer a cropped sweatshirt our our side hoodie on top form a relaxed yet fashionable look. Fashion of which chunky sneakers, a bliss ball cap, and a sleek backpack for a sporty chick vibe that forgot perfect for running need or grabbing coffee with friends. Date night glam, lately black dress with statement accessories. Make a listing in press on your next date night with a classic little black dress that exudes timeless allures. Choose a silhouette and choose a that flatters your figure, whether it's sleek bodycup dress or an elegance fit and flare style elements the look with statement accessories such as calendar earning a blood cloth, and Sporty heels in a vibrate how. Sweep your hair into and a fortress updo and a sweep of red lipstick for a touch of glamour that swear to truth hat. Wicked underlays relaxed jump side and expedite words. Embarrass Lloyd back legs with a relaxed jump points that perfect from classic cool to office glam that swing chic outfit ideas offer English interpretation for women looking to elevate their fashion game, whether you are aiming for post-dating comfort or a combination of both. These stylish ensemble are sure to make statement and your unique sense of stylish. So go I spread it with different look and have fun experiencing yourself through fashion. Thank you for watching. Complete this video and like this video and subscribe this channel and open bell icon and next video first time you are. Thank you for watching complete this video. Fashion is a form of self-expression that allows to their personality and style. For women, selection to perfect outfits can be boot exciting and duting with handles to explore whether you're aiming for classic comfort, professional elegance, over trendy flair, there's an outfit to suit every classic. Here are seven stylish outfits, ideas to inspire your wardrobe and elevate your fashion game. Effortlessly elegance, the power of monochrome embroids the simplicity and of monochrome outfits. Pair a crisp white button down shirt with robbed black trouser for a timeless. Look that exdest elegance. Add a statement belts and sleek pumps to elements the ensemble future. Minimalist accessories such as silver stowed earring and tote bag complete this effortlessly chic outfits. Perfect for the office of a dinner date. Classic cool denim on denim. Embrace the versatility of denim with a trendy denim on denim ensemble. Pair your favorite denim jacket with high-waisted jeans in a complementary wash for a coordinated yet relaxed vibe. Layer a graphic tee over a simple tank top underneath for a tour of professionally complete the wicked brown our shopping bahu 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 baby flea maxi dress and frigid accessories embrace your furry separate side with a flea maxi dress in a vibrant print our early tunes OPT for lightweight fabric that gently sway with every step, creating a sense of movement and growth. Accessories with layered necklace, beaded necklace, and fringed sandal to channel bohemian ensemble, perfect for summer festivities, our beachside strolls, office glam, tailored suit with a funny name,